Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So today I want to discuss mental math problems. Already few chapters we have finished. So today also we will discuss what exercise 30. Okay, exercise 30. So before going to start, just few important information for you. At first you should get ready with your copies because you will practice it also. You will do it also. Clear? At first you will try, after that you will see the solution. Okay? And another thing, we know that few students are sending their work, few students are not sending their work. Those who are sending their work, that is okay, they are good students according to our opinion. But those who are not sending, I can understand what is the reason why they are not sending. Please, you should do your work, and if any problem you can ask to the teachers. Clear? And after that submit to the teachers, they will check your work. Clear or not? Understood? So you should do it first and finish it, and if any the doubt, any problem, you should ask to the teachers through WhatsApp, through message, through phone call also. Clear students? Understood? Okay. So now let's start. At first you should read the question thoroughly, because what is the meaning of the question you should try to understand. Clear or not? So that's why you should try to understand what is the given data. Now see question number 1. Question number 1 is telling that rupees 378.53, 300 or 53 actually, here we will see like that, rupees 378.53. Clear? Means after point we will say the single digit, not together. Okay, here 53, not 53. Okay, so see here rupees 378 now, after that point next 53. So that means this 53, this is what? This is paisa now. So that's why 53 will be there what? In paisa, paisa's place. Clear? That means 53 paisa. And 378 what? That is rupees. That is rupees 378. Rupees 378 and 53 paisa. Okay, and if we say, or if we write together, that's why we will write how much? How will write? Rupees 378.53. Suppose rupees what? Capital R, rupees 261, okay, 0.25. That means what? That means what you say? That means 261 rupees and 25 paisa. Okay, clear? 261 rupees 25 paisa. That means we can write what? Rupees 261 and 25 paisa. Understood everyone? Clear or not? Otherwise we can write like that also, 261 rupees 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 and 25 paisa. That one also we can write it. Understood everyone? 261 rupees and 25 paisa. So question number 1 clear? I have understood everyone. And if any doubt, if you inform me, again I will explain it. 2-3 problems also, again I will take the example and again I will explain. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay. Now question number 2. See the question. Question number 2 is telling convert 18,304 paise into rupees. Convert 18,304 paise into rupees. So same problem. How to do this one? Check it once. You should try at first. Convert 18,304 paisa into rupees. Now we convert into rupees. Okay, means relation is there. Question number 1 and question number 2, relation is there. Okay, so how to do this one? See, we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So 2 rupee equal to 2 into 100, that means 200 paisa. Understood? 5 rupees equal to 5 into 100, that means 500 paisa. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now see here given what? 18,304 paisa, no? Paisa given, but here we are doing what? Converting rupees to paisa. So what are we doing here? Here we are converting rupees to paisa, means multiplying by 100. Clear or not? That means when we are converting rupees to paisa, that time we are multiplying by 100. So similarly, if we convert paisa to rupees, that time what to do? That time 100 by, means that one division we will divide by 100. Okay, here multiply by 100 and here divide by 100. Concept clear? Rupees to paisa means we will multiply by 100 and paisa to rupees means we will divide by 100. Understood everyone? Clear? So here given what? Paisa given, we convert into rupees. Question number 2. Paisa given, we convert into rupees. So I am writing here 18,304 paisa. Okay, 18,304 paisa equal to dash, equal to dash rupees or rupees dash, that one also we can write. How to do this one? That means 18,304 divided by what? Divided by 100. Clear or not? Clear? We divide by 100 because we converting paisa to rupees, so that's why we will do what? We will do divide by 100. Okay, now see here 100 means how many zeros? 2 zeros. 100 means 2 zeros. Okay, so when we will divide, that time point will go, which side will go? In left hand side. Which side? Left hand side. This left hand side will go, and when we are multiplying, point will go to the right hand side. This type of problem you will do point concept, that one you will do later also. Now little concept is there. Okay, so see here 2 zeros, 100 means here 2 zeros, that means that point will go to after 2 digits, because 2 zeros, that means after 2 digits point will come. Which side will go? Left hand side, that means after 0 point will come. Okay, here only between 3 and 0 that point will come. 3 আর 0 মধ্যে কি আসবে? Point আসবে. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so here what will come here? 183.04, that means here 183.04. Understood everyone? Clear or not? If we take another example, see, if we take another example, suppose 2345 paisa, 2345 paisa equal to rupees dash, so what to do? Same concept, paisa to rupees means 2345, paisa to rupees means we divide by 100. Clear? 100 means here how many zeros? 2 zeros, that means point will go to the which side? Point will go to left hand side. Clear? Left hand side means after how many digits point will come? Since here 2 zeros, যেহেতু দুটো জিরো আছে, তাহলে কি হবে? লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে বাম দিকে যাবে, কটা ডিজিটের পরে যাবে? দুটো ডিজিটের পরে পয়েন্ট উইল কাম। আফটার 2 digits পয়েন্ট উইল কাম। ফ্রম রাইট টু লেফট মিন্স উই আর গোয়িং টু লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড, আমরা বাম দিকে যাব, ঠিক আছে? এবং কটা জিরো আছে? দুটো জিরো, সেই জন্য দুটো জিরো যেহেতু আছে, তাহলে দুটো ডিজিটের পরে পয়েন্ট আসবে। ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট মিন্স হোয়াট উইল কাম হিয়ার? 23.45। ক্লিয়ার? আমরা কোন দিক দিয়ে যাব? আমরা সবসময় ডান থেকে আমরা বামের দিকে যাব। ক্লিয়ার? ফর ডিভিশন কেস। ক্লিয়ার অর নট? তাহলে 5 and 4 2 digits, so after 2 digits point will come, that means rupees 23.45. That is the answer. Concept clear everyone? I hope understood. Clear? Clear or not? So that means here answer will be what? Rupees 183.04. 0.04. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is telling simplification is there. 8 into 4 in bracket. ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে কি দেওয়া আছে 8 into 4 division sign, after that 2 minus again bracket 3 into 4. So what to do? What to do? Just try it everyone. Try it, otherwise I will do it. Okay? Everyone try it. You are trying or not? You should try it. Okay. So question number 3 is telling 8 into 4. 8 into 4. 8 into 4, no? Actually I am searching for the space. Little space is needed, so that's why where I will write 8 into 4. Otherwise I am here writing here in bracket 8 into 4. Next, what is the given question? Division sign 2, division sign, division 2 minus next bracket 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 8 into 4 bracket close, after the division sign next 2 minus in bracket 3 into 4. That is the question. So what to do? What to do? See, at first what is the rule of Bodmas rule? Bodmas rule is telling that B, at first B means what? Bracket. O means O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Clear or not? And this formula I told you before also. So at first B for bracket. So see here bracket is given, no? Yes, bracket is there. So at first we will do what? Bracket. Okay, in bracket, ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে যেটা আছে সেটার কাজটা আমরা আই করে নেব. So what is the given in the bracket? তাহলে ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে কি আছে? মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন আছে 8 into 4. So 8 into 4 means what? 32. So now bracket will be removed. তাহলে ব্র্যাকেট কি হবে? উঠে যাবে. Clear? Clear or not? Next division sign 2, next minus sign. Okay, now in bracket see 3 into 4. Again also here we will remove the bracket. এখানেও ব্র্যাকেটটাকে কি করব? রিমুভ করে দেব. Clear? So 3 into 4 means what? 12. Concept clear? Clear or not? So at first we will do what? According to the Bodmas rule we will do what? We will remove the bracket. ব্র্যাকেটটাকে আমরা কি করব? রিমুভ করে দেব. রিমুভ করে দেওয়া মানে সরিয়ে দিতে হবে, তুলে দিতে হবে. ওকে, সো নাও উই আর গেটিং টু সাইন, দুটো সাইন পাচ্ছি আমরা এখন. দেখো ডিভিশন সাইন অ্যান্ড হেয়ার মাইনাস সাইন. সো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য ফর্মুলা ডি হোয়ার? ডি ফার্স্ট অ্যান্ড এস লাস্ট. ক্লিয়ার নট? ফার্স্ট কি আছে এখানে? ডিভিশন হবে. দুটো সাইনের মধ্যে কোনটা আগে হবে? ডিভিশন আগে হবে, আর সাবস্ট্রাকশন শেষে আছে মানে লাস্ট হবে. ক্লিয়ার? সো অ্যাট ফার্স্ট উইল ডু হোয়াট? উইল ডু ডিভিশন. 32 divided by 2, and 32 divided by 2 means what will get here? 16. You can do the also, you should try it, the division. 32 divided by 2, 32 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, here 12, 2 6 ja 12. Clear? That means 16 coming, 16 is coming. Okay, so after minus sign, after 2 পর্যন্ত আমাদের কি হলো? কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে. নেক্সট মাইনাস সাইন হিয়ার -12. ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে 16 minus 12 we are getting what? 16 minus 12. তাহলে 16 minus 12 means what? 4. Clear or not? 60 থেকে 12 minus করে কত হচ্ছে? 4. So answer will be what? 4. Concept clear everyone? At first we will do what? We will remove the bracket. ব্র্যাকেটটাকে আমরা কি করব? সরিয়ে দেব. ক্লিয়ার? তা সরিয়ে দিলে কি হবে? ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে যে ফাংশনটা সেটাকে আমাকে কাজ করতে হবে. তাহলে 8 into 4 means what? 32. নেক্সট ডিভিশন সাইন 2. ওকে, মাইনাস সাইন, এগেন ব্র্যাকেটটাও কী করবো? আমরা তুলে দেবো. তাহলে 3 into 4 12. নেক্সট লাইন আমরা কী পাচ্ছি? ডিভিশন সাইন আর মাইনাস সাইন. ওকে, সো উইল ডু হুইচ সাইন অ্যাট ফার্স্ট? দ্য ডিভিশন সাইন উইল ডু. সো 32কে আমরা 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করবো. হ্যাঁ, যদি আমরা ডিভাইড করি তাহলে কত পাচ্ছি আমরা? 16 পাচ্ছি. তো 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 means 4. Clear? Clear or not? So here answer will be what? 4. Concept clear? Concept clear everyone? Clear? Okay, I have understood. Okay, and if any problem you should inform me. Okay, I will explain again if any doubt, but you should finish the work, you should practice the work as much as possible. You should practice it. Clear? That is good for you only. Your concepts will be cleared. If you practice more your concept, you can take that any other example also, like this type of example also you can take it. Okay, Okay, now see question number 4. Question number 4 is telling how many hours from 12 noon to 12 pm. This type of problem already discussed. আমরা এই ধরনের প্রবলেম আমরা আগে করেছি। How many hours from 12 noon to 12 pm? বলছে কি নুন মানে কি দুপুরের কথা বলেছে, যে দুপুর 12টা থেকে 12 noon to 12 pm, রাত 12টা পর্যন্ত কি হবে, কত সময় হবে, মানে কত ঘন্টা হবে এখানে। হাউ মেনি আওয়ার্স ইজ টেলিং, কত ঘন্টা হবে। উই ক্যান ক্যালকুলেট ইন হ্যান্ড অলসো, আমরা হাতেও গুনে নিতে পারি, বা ডাইরেক্টলিও আমরা বলতে পারি যে দুপুর 12টা থেকে রাত 12টা ক ঘন্টা হবে, 12 ঘন্টা হবে, 12 আওয়ার্স হবে। দুপুর 6টা, সকাল 6টা থেকে সন্ধ্যে 6টা, 12 আওয়ার্স। সকাল 7টা থেকে সন্ধ্যে 7টা, 12 আওয়ার্স। সকাল 10টা থেকে রাত 10টা, কী হবে, সেই সেম কেস, 12 আওয়ার্স। হাউ মেনি আওয়ার্স, 12 আওয়ার্স। ক্লিয়ার? আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যান কাউন্ট ইট অলসো। 12 এর পর থেকে কাউন্ট করে যাবে 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, সেই 12 আওয়ার্স আছে, আসছে না আসছে না, ইউ ক্যান কাউন্ট ইট অলসো। ক্লিয়ার? আবার যদি আমরা ঘুরিয়ে বলি যে রাত 12টা থেকে মিড নাইটের 12টা থেকে, আমরা এই ধরনের প্রবলেম আমরা করেছিলাম হয়ে আগে, দিস টাইপের প্রবলেম উই ডিড বিফোর অলসো, যে রাত 12টা থেকে দুপুর 12টা পর্যন্ত কত ঘন্টা, সেম কেস 12 আওয়ার্স। ক্লিয়ার অর নট ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার এভরিওয়ান? ওকে, নাও কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 5. Question number 5 is telling that rupees 307 and 75 paisa, rupees 307 and 75 paisa equal to rupees dash. দেখো এই ধরনের প্রবলেম আমরা করলাম এখানে আগে, করলাম না? Question number 1 same case. Question number 1 was there what, rupees 378.53 equal to rupees 378 and 53 paisa, আর এখানে জাস্ট অপোজিটটা দিয়েছে, মানে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডটা এই দিকটা দিয়েছে, আমার বাম দিকটা লিখবো, মানে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড ডান দিকটা আমাদেরকে দিয়ে দিয়েছে, উইল রাইট হুইচ সাইড, দ্যাট লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড উইল রাইট। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার অর না? ওকে, তাহলে দেখো, সো রুপিস 307 দ্য পয়েন্ট উইল কাম নো, বিকজ 75 পয়সা, তাহলে ফার্স্ট আমরা উইল রাইট হোয়াট 307, নেক্সট পয়সাকে লিখতে হলে কী করতে হবে, পয়েন্ট দিয়ে জাস্ট অনলি উইল রাইট ইট দ্যাট ওয়ান, পয়েন্ট দিয়ে কী করবো, এই পয়সাটাকে বসে দিতে হবে শুধু। Clear or not? 307, that is rupees, so at first we will write what 307, after that 75 paisa, no, so paisa means we will write what point, after point we will write the values. Clear or not? বোঝা গেছে? Understood everyone? Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6 is telling what, just a minute students, read the question everyone, just little bit charge problem, so that's why I am doing. So you just read the question. 3 hours 30 seconds equal to dash seconds, the easy question. 3 hours 30 seconds equal to dash seconds, you can do it. 3 hours 30 seconds, I am doing charge a little bit. Okay, so you are trying or not everyone, students, you are trying or not, just a minute, you are trying everyone? Okay, see I am doing 3 hours 30 seconds equal to dash seconds. 3 hours, I am writing here 3 hours 30 seconds equal to dash second. This is the question. We know that what 1 hour equal to 60 minute, 1 hour equal to 60 minute, okay, and 1 hour equal to 3600 second, okay. This is little concept, the formula, okay. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 hour equal to 3600 second, and another 1 minute equal to 60 second. That one also we know that. So which one will apply it here? 1 hour equal to 3600 second. Clear or not? 3600 second, okay. So 1 hour equal to 3600 second. 2 hours equal to, so 2 into 3600, clear or not? 2 into 3600, so we will multiply it, clear or not? So if we multiply, what will come here? Here 0 and here 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7200 second. 2 hours equal to 7200 means 7200 second, okay. Clear or not? So now we find out 3 hours, because in the question what given? 3 hours given, no? So that's why 3 hours means what to do? 3 into 3600 or not? 3 into 3600. Do multiplication, everyone. Do multiplication. Okay. See. So 3600 into 3. What will come here? 2 zeros. Next 3 6 what? I am doing direct multiplication. Otherwise normal multiplication also you will do it. No problem. You know that. তোমরা জানো মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন করতে জানো, you can do it, you should try it, okay. Okay, here 6, here 3 6 3 6 18, 8 1 carry, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10, that means 10,800 second, 10,800 second. Clear or not? That means 3 hours equal to, we are getting what? 3 hours equal to 10,800 second, okay. So 10,800 second. Another one given what in the question? 30 second, no? Another one 30 second, 10,800 this one, okay. I am writing here again 10,800 second, and next 30 will do what? Addition. Clear? Okay. This one also second. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 3 3, here 8, here 1 0, that means 10,830 second we are getting here. So this is the answer. Clear or not? 10,830. This is the answer. So 1 hour equal to 3,700 second, okay. 2 hours equal to 2 into 3,600, that means we are getting 7,200, and 3 hours equal to 3 into 3,600, we are getting 10,800, and after that in the question given 30 second extra, so we will do what? Addition. So after addition we are getting 10,830 second. Clear or not? So that's why answer will be what? 10,830 second. Clear, Babu? Everyone clear? Understood? Okay. Suppose in the question you will try this one question like that. Same question I am giving here. Suppose 5 hours 25 seconds. 5 hour 25 seconds equal to dash seconds. You will try it, okay. Same process means 5 into what to do? 1 hour equal to 3,600. So 5 hours equal to 5 into the 5 into 3,600. Clear? After that, after the getting that value, we will add this one 25. 25 টা কি করব? 25 সেকেন্ড আমরা অ্যাড করে দেব, করলেই আমাদের আনসার বেরিয়ে যাবে। Clear or not? Clear everyone? Okay. Next question, see. Convert 8 liter 725 milliliter into liter. Okay, convert 8 liter 725 milliliter into liter. Okay, I am writing the question. 8 liter 725 milliliter. Milliliter short form ml, and liter short form also we can write only L. 8 liter 725 milliliter equal to dash liter. We convert into liter. So how to do this one? See here 8 liter, that is liter, same. Only 725 ml, that one only will convert into liter. Clear or not? This 725 milliliter we convert into liter. So what to do? We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, 2 liters equal to 2 into 1000 milliliter. Clear or not? That means 2000 milliliter. That means when we are going liter to milliliter, we are multiplying by 1000. Clear or not? Liter to milliliter, we are multiplying by 100 or 1000, not 100. Okay, but when we are going to milliliter to liter, that time we will divide by 100 or 1000. Say 1000 or 100, 1000, not 100. That one should be cleared. Okay, liter to milliliter multiplied by which one? 100 or 1000? 1000. And milliliter to liter, that one also same process, only division will do, divided by 1000. Clear? So same process. So what to do here? 725 milliliter equal to dash liter. 725 divided by 1000. Will do division by 1000. Clear or not? Clear? So see, so now what to do? Power of 10 is given, and power of 10 is given means direct division we can do it. See how to do? Here how many zeros? 3 zeros, and here how many digits? 3 digits. So after 3 the digit, that point will come. So here 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so point will come here only. Okay, and we will go to, for division we will go to left hand side. I told you before also. That means that one will come what? 0.725. Okay, so if we divide by 1000 to what? To 725, we are getting what? 0.725. Clear or not? Clear? So here answer what? Here question was there what? 8 liter 725 milliliter. So 8 that is fixed, only 725 milliliter that is changing, no? শুধু 725 টা কি হচ্ছে? শুধু চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে। তাহলে 725 মিলিলিটারকে যদি আমরা লিটারে কনভার্ট করি তাহলে কি হবে? তাকে 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হচ্ছে, আর 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা পাচ্ছি কি? 0.725। ক্লিয়ার? তার মানে কি আসছে? সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই আনসার হোয়াট? 8 লিটার 725 milliliter equal to 8.725 liter. Clear or not? Clear? 8 এর কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না, no change, 8 no change, only 725 milliliter we convert into liter. আর কনভার্ট করতে হলে কি করতে হবে? আমাকে 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে। So that's why we are dividing by 1000. So after dividing, what are getting? What we are getting? We are getting 0.725. তাহলে 8 সামনে বসে যাবে আর 0.725 বসে যাবে। That is the answer. Clear or not everyone? Clear? Clear? So here answer will be 8.725 liter. Understood? Clear or not? Everyone understood, I hope. And if any doubt, again I will explain it. Okay, you should inform me. Without information I can't understand, no? If any problem, no, if you have any problem we can't understand, so that's why you should inform me, sir, here problem is there or here something like that. So you inform me, I will explain it again. Clear? But you should practice it and you should submit the work. Okay, and those who are watching, they can write your name in the comment box also. Okay, now see question number 8. Read the question. 33 months equal to dash year dash months. Very easy question. 33 months equal to dash year dash months. Okay, 33 months equal to 33 months equal to dash year dash months. Okay, 33 months equal to dash year dash months. So see, we know that what? We know that আমরা জানি কি 1 year equal to how many months? 12 months, no? How many months? 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. Clear? So 2 years equal to 2 into 12 months, no? 2 into 12 months. Clear or not? 2 into 12 means 24 months. Okay, তাহলে 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, 2 years equal to, we are getting 2 into 12, 12 months, that means 24 months. That means what? That means 3 years equal to 3 into 12 months, that means 36 months. Clear or not? That's why I am telling what, when we are going to year to months, we are multiplying by 12. Clear or not? And when we are going to months to year, same process, divided by 12. Concept clear? Year to months we are multiplying by 12, and months to year we are dividing by 12. Understood? Clear everyone? So that's why here 33 months given, we convert into year, means we are going to months to year. That's why what to do, we will do division by 12. 33 divided by 12. Clear? Okay, now see, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36. So here 33 is there, that means we will take 2. 12 2 is 24. 3 minus 4 subtraction, 3 minus 4 not possible. 13, we borrow 1 from 3, that means 13. 13 minus 4 9. Okay, here 9 12 not possible, division not possible. So that means 2 years, these 2 years, this one will come here in year. And 9, no, 9 what, 9 months, because 33 months was there, that's why 9 what, 9 months, that is months, and that is year. 2 years, here 9 months, so here 9 months will come. That means 33 months equal to 2 years 9 months. Clear? Clear everyone? And easy and important problem also, this type of problem very very important and easy also. That means here answer will be what, 2 years 9 months. Okay, clear? Okay, now see question number 9. Question number 9, read the question at first everyone, try to do. After reading the issue, try to do. Okay, how many hours from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.? Easy, very easy, we can count it by hand also. Clear? In finger, means in hand, that by finger we can count it also. Clear or not? We can count it. Okay, so 10 a.m. 10 a.m. means what, সকাল 10টার কথা বলেছে। ওকে, মর্নিং এর কথা বলেছে, মর্নিং 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. রাত 8টা পর্যন্ত কত সময়, হাউ মেনি আওয়ার্স, উই ক্যান ফাইন্ড আউট। তাহলে কাউন্ট করো, হাতেই কাউন্ট করে নাও সবাই। সি 10টা বলেছে, 10টার পর থেকে তাহলে কি হবে, 11 12, আফটার দ্যাট 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? That means 10 hours. Clear? That means how many hours is coming, 10 hours is coming. So that's why here answer will be what, 10 hours. 10 hours. Clear? Clear or not? Check it and say. Okay, so morning 10 a.m. থেকে, মানে সকাল 10টা থেকে 10 a.m. means মর্নিং এ সকালে 10টার কথা বলেছে। সেই সকাল 10টা থেকে রাত 8টা পর্যন্ত কত সময়, তাহলে 10 hours we are getting. Understood? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10 is telling 25 plus 7 minus 6 plus 10 minus 7. Very easy problem, just addition and subtraction is given. Very easy, and you can do it also. You should try it, everyone, you should try it. Okay, try and say what is the answer. See what sign is given here, plus sign and minus sign, first plus, next minus, plus, next minus. So at first what to do, according to the Bodmas rule, that addition and subtraction, addition first and subtraction last. Clear or not? At first addition, next subtraction. So we will do addition at first. So which one will do addition? Which one? 25 plus 7 and plus 10. যে সমস্ত নাম্বারের ফার্স্ট কি আছে, সাইনগুলো আছে, দেখো পজিটিভ সাইন আছে, সেইগুলোকে আমরা কি করব, অ্যাড করব। যে সমস্ত নাম্বারের সামনে কি সাইন আছে, ইন ফ্রন্টে পজিটিভ সাইন আছে, দ্যাট ওয়ান উইল ডু দ্য অ্যাডিশন। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার or not? Clear? আচ্ছা, so 25 plus 7 and plus 10, তাহলে 25 plus 7 plus 10, how much we are getting, 32. 25 plus 7 32, okay, and 32 plus 10 42, that means 42 is coming, okay. তাহলে 42 থেকে কি করব আমরা 6 মাইনাস করব একবার, আর 7 একবার মাইনাস করব, তাহলে আবার 6 মাইনাস করে নাও, minus 6, 42 minus 6, what will come? What will come? Say 2 minus 6 not possible, so we borrow 1 from 4, 12 minus 6 6, and here will come what? 30, 36 36, so 36 is coming. After 36 again 7 minus, again minus 6 minus 7 not possible, so we borrow 1 from 3 থেকে কি করব আমরা 1 ধার নেব, তাহলে 16 minus 7 9, and normal at a subtraction, you can do it also, no problem, you should try it, okay. And here 2 29, that means here 29 is coming. After simplification we are getting what? 29. Only addition and subtraction is there. At first we will do the addition, এবং কোনগুলোকে আমরা অ্যাড করব, যে সমস্ত নাম্বারের আগে বা ডিজিটের আগে কি আছে পজিটিভ সাইন আছে সেগুলোকে আমরা অ্যাড করে নেব। অ্যাড করার পরে দুটো মাইনাস দেওয়া আছে, দুটোকে কি করব পরপর করে আমরা মাইনাস করে নেব। সো উইল গেট দ্য আনসার। Clear or not everyone? Clear? I have understood. And if any problem that from these problems, no, you can inform me, I will explain it again, okay, but you should practice it. So what is your homework? Take it your homework, everyone. Homework exercise 30 and 31, 30 and 31, this is your homework, and you should do it, you should submit it, okay, everyone, you should submit it. Only few students they are submitting. Why? What is the reason? You cannot do, and if you cannot do, so you should inform to the teachers, no, they will help you, but you are not doing, that is very bad. Since you are a student means you should do the work. Clear? You should learn, no? Okay, that's all. You should submit the work. Clear or not? Today evening, if possible that today evening you will submit it, I will check the work. Clear? So that's all. Take care of